Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is Wednesday, which means it's collab day for the Brewed Beauties, and I'd like to thank Alexandra from Makeup Addict 1992 for hosting and inviting me to this collab. Also in the collab is Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation, and possibly Barbara from Barbie's Beauty Bag. If she feels up to filming. She hasn't been feeling good, so I hope you're feeling better, Barb. Um, this week's theme is Pisces, and I looked it up. The colors for Pisces is light green, orange, yellow, aquamarine, and pink. So I'm going to try to use all those colors in a look, and I might cheat and do the pink for cheeks. I don't know yet. We'll see. So I already put on my foundation. I use, the primer I used is CoverGirl Simply Ageless Primer. Anti-Aging Foundation Primer, it's called. I also use CoverGirl Simply Ageless Foundation with Hyaluronic Complex and Vitamin C in the color 255 Soft Honey. And I used, which is something new, feels good so far, and I lost it. Oh, it's in my hand, for Pete's sake. The Milani eyeshadow primer. It says lightweight, invisible finish. So that's what I've done so far. So let's get into this look. I'm going to use a variety of palettes. So we have light green, orange, yellow, aquamarine, and pink. So, alright, so we're going to go into Wow in Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And I think I'm going to start inner corner out. Depends on how chalky this is. I've had this palette quite a while. And I'm sure it's reaching the end of its life. I don't know why I'm compelled to start in the inner corner lately. That's really... It's called Wow. I mean, when it says wow, it sure is. Okay. I'm trying to keep my brushes right here so I don't know. I don't know why I lose them. It's ridiculous. Blend that up a little bit. And soften that. Alright, now I'm going to go into ColourPop. Maybe. As it says light green, orange, yellow. Do I want to go into orange? Maybe I do. I'm looking at what all palettes I have. Okay. Let's go into Orange You Glad by ColourPop. And I think I'm going to go into Sunkissed next for the next part. I don't know though. Should I? Yeah, Sunkissed. That's what we're doing. It's this color. It's pretty bright. I mean, I love having fun with makeup. You just have to have fun, right? People get on me about my age, and I don't know. I didn't get the handbook. I didn't know there was a handbook for how you're supposed to act at any given age. I don't feel any mentally, I don't feel any older than I did from when I was 25, except for the fact that I've matured and grown and learned from mistakes and whatnot. Other than that, I love orange. Okay, so orange, yellow, light green, aquamarine, and pink. Okay, so we're going to go into light green next. Where'd my thing go? There we go. I think I'm going to use Miami and ColourPop in the limelight. Or maybe not, because it doesn't seem to be picking up. Yeah, I'm going into After Party. I don't want it to muddy up with that orange. So I'm going to try to just tap it along the edge. I'm going to bring that out. Well, that's just not showing up, is it? Let me see if I have another green option. A light green option. Not in that palette. Holy shit, that one's bright. Well, we have Joshua Tree in the Jeffree Star Psychedelic. Let's see how that works. So now remember, I put ColourPop. So to get this look, you're going to have to put down Miami, After Party, then Joshua Tree. Or any green of your choice. Okay. Alright, that's cool. That'll work. Now, Aquamarine. I don't know. I have the Thirsty palette, and I have the color Splash, but I don't know how. It looks like an aquamarine. Let's go outer corner. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay. Let me pause this. I don't know what that beeping is out there, but it sounds weird. Okay, it was only a second for you, but that was the UPS man picking up or dropping off orders. Now, I'm kind of trying to just keep that like that because I'm going to go with something above there. What do you think so far? So, yellow, orange, green, and aquamarine. I can dig it. Okay. Let's go into Lilac You a Lot and ColourPop. And we're going to go into the pinky one called Ghosting. Right there. Let me find an angled, thin angled brush. Alright, that should be good. Make sure there's nothing on there. I did clean my brushes, and then my cat knocked them down. Okay, that's not showing up at all. What the fuck is going on today? Because that's supposed to be a lilac-y palette. Okay, change of thought. Let's go into Jawbreaker. Bubblegum. So put the color I told you if you want this exact look. I'm sure you can just be inspired by it. Ghostin' from Lilac You a Lot. And then we're going to go into Jawbreaker Bubblegum. I don't like to put a lot of color under my eye because I'm older, you know. And it just seems to wrinkle your eye. Oh, I just can't catch a break here. Alright, so got that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some eyeliner on, and I think I'm going, if I can find it, there it is. I'm going to do the teal, and I'm going to put Level Up ColourPop mascara on my bottom, and Elf on the top lashes, which is Lash It Loud. I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I did the other eye, and I ended up putting that ColourPop, which I can't read what color it is, that teal eyeliner, because the lettering's, I don't know why they do that. It's in white. It's the gel liner. But if the color's on there, I can't read it. So I did that one first, and then I went with my all-time favorite Breakfast with Tiffany's. I believe this is actually a lip liner from Jeffree Star. I went over top. I did my bottom lashes with ColourPop Level Up. And I did my top lashes with... Man, why am I dropping and losing stuff today? With Elf Lash It Loud mascara. And you can see the in black. And I used a little... Oh, I used Elf blush palette called Light. And I used this color in it, the pink. I went a little heavy, oh well. And I went into Jeffree Star's Pink Religion palette for a little bit of highlight. And used Frosting Cult as my highlight. So that's what I did so far. And I think I'm just going to put a lip on and call it a day. I was going to do gems, but I cannot find my eyelash glue. So I'm assuming that my cat had something to do with it. I'm going to go in with Wizard's Glass. And this is the gloss by Jeffree. You guys probably get tired of him. Or me using his palettes, but I bought them and I'm going to use them. It has like purple and green reflex in it. It's pretty neat. So, this is my Pisces look. I need to trim my eyebrows. I bought a little pair of scissors. They're coming. Oh, and I put the same thing that I used to highlight. I did the top and then blended that. So, this is my Pisces look for Brewed Beauty collab. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Hit that subscription bell or subscription button and click that bell so you're notified. It really helps my channel out. If you hit the like, please comment below if there's anything that you'd like to see or whatever. I'm getting ready to do some palette reviews from some palettes that I got from Makeup Revolution London, and some ColourPop palettes. So I'm getting ready to do that. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.